Alright, boys and girls, today is the day. It is February 12th. Our garage door is not opening currently, but we'll close that. It's a little after 5 o'clock here, and I'm heading on my Arkansas hunt. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm going to be gone 9 days down there, and so that'll be fun. I'm bringing my bow because it's still bow season for deer down there. So I'm going to try to kill a deer with the bow down there. And then I'm hog hunting with the bow. But on private you can also shoot them with any weapon. So I'm bringing the gun. So stick with us. It'll be a cool drive. Alright you guys, we are in Kansas City. It is currently 8:05. And 79 miles to go. Should arrive around 9:19. We'll be back. Kansas City Chiefs. Got your nice factories and stuff over there. Hopefully my mom can make up a little time. She likes to drive the speed limit, but my grandma tends to go a little over. 70, she likes to go about 90.
Oh, Christ.
We might have to pull her license. Yeah, so pretty cool view here. A little bit different than the farm one.
Did you get the bridge?
Oh, the bridge is on it, Grandma. Don't you worry. Well, probably next time you'll see us, we'll be to the halfway mark.
Keep right to US 71 South.
Siri's happy with us, so we're just listening to her today. Alright.
Oh, look at the Missouri River.
Oh yeah, there's a river. Wow. Ice fishing, anybody?
I doubt it.
I think the fish are dead. There's no water.
I don't think you can stand on it.
Also, what's the temperature outside right now?
4 degrees.
Oh, you bet global warming's a problem. Whew.
And she told the whole class, I'm going to punch you, don't tell your parents. And it's like...
Rich Hill.
Well, folks, we have met halfway, where I'm jumping in with my aunt.
That white SUV.
Hopefully we got enough space in her car, because I brought a few luggage. Oh, Siri's being
Turn
annoying
left on
again.
East Olive Street. Then turn left.
Hey Mom, can you hit the curb harder? Peeps. Ka-chow. Arkansas plates. Stay tuned. Well, you guys, it's a landmark. No cop, don't stop. Just kidding, don't take that advice, folks. But as you can see, we are about to Arkansas. Uncle Doug, if you are watching this, I am sorry. Green. Hammer down, all gas, no brakes. Pretty different country out here from Nebraska. As you can see, not much for corn. But corn's cut anyway. A lot more cars. More scenery to come. Pretty cool scenery though. Mountains all frosted up on top. Best part of the whole ride, folks. The tunnel. We currently have 86 miles to go. Well, you guys, we have officially made it, pretty much. America. Got the camper. Mountains off there. No, right off the lake. We might be doing some hunting down there. Not sure yet. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I made it to Arkansas and I'm in a blind. It's a pretty nice blind. It is February 15th and we're doing some hog hunting. Problem is, it's still snowing. They say it's the first big snow since what?
1988.
1988. So yeah, I just happened to be here for that, so I tried to get away from it. But back at home, they say it's -10, and wells are freezing up, and hosts inside of our fairing houses are freezing up. So you know what? I shouldn't complain because it's a lot nicer here. Plus, I've got a heater, but so far no hogs, and it's just kind of snowing. Gonna try to do some deer hunting here at the end of the week. Tomorrow we're gonna do some scouting and kind of just messing around in the Jeep because who doesn't love a good Jeep? So hopefully a hog will come out here before the end of the night, but we're kind of running out of light. So if one shows up, Doug will be our man, and I will try to put a smack down on him. So wish us luck, you guys.
Well, maybe this time will be the trick. Jake did good. He let that spike walk a while ago, and now we've got another doe coming in right here before dark. He just stopped her. He gave her a little call. She stopped. Here she comes. Arrow's hanging out of her. Looks like she's shot right by the shoulder. I see a little blood. We'll watch her, see what happens. She's down. Got her here watching her now. Good job, Jake. It is Thursday, I think the 16th.
February, I think it's 18th.
18th.
18th, I think. And as you guys saw, I was in the climber, and my Uncle Doug was in the box blind recording, and I hit this doe, and it looked like a good shot, but not sure on penetration. We thought we saw her bed down, so we're just going to take the blood up to the woods and see what we find.
Okay.
Alright, you guys, well, here's my arrow my arrow we just found. It's about, 12 inches of penetration, probably, maybe. So I got good penetration. She went a lot farther than I was expecting. But, long story short, she found water and is now laying in the creek. So, we'll get her out of there. But, just so everybody's wondering, once again, I shot it with the RX4 by HOYT, and that was my first out-of-state deer. So we're gonna get her tagged up here and haul her back to the shop and let the real fun begin.
Attaboy, Jake.
Let the work begin. So, got one more tag to fill. I think tomorrow we might go deer camp, we might come back here. We're not sure yet, but
To be continued.
couple days left. That's right. Stick with us, you guys.
Whoopee.
Alright, you guys. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but today is February 19th, day after I shot that doe last night. We are currently doing some more hunting on an island, and we got Doug running the motor back there, so it's pretty cool. The other day came out here, it was snowing and everything. That was cool. So hopefully we can load some deer up in the back of the boat and bring them back. Tomorrow's my last day to hunt here, and then Sunday I go back. So we're getting down to the wire, and I got one more tag to fill. And Doug, he's still got some more doe tags. So, mission to go and get a doe. But I do have a buck tag. It's an either or. So, whatever comes out, I'm going to try to let her have it. But hopefully, we can get her done. Well, I may not find any deer tonight, but I sure did find the bird bedding area. There's a lot of them, and I think I'm in their home. So, this is cool. I'll be back in here in the morning if I don't kill one the rest of the way, but it's a little different. Cool hunt, though. Alright, you guys, it is 6 o'clock, and it's the last morning hunt here, or in fact, last hunt of this trip. It's February 20th, and we're going back to the same place we did last night. We left the climbers up in the stand, so we'll see what happens. Well, we're gonna probably eat some breakfast here, then launch the boat out and get after it. We'll see you guys in the tree stand. Alright, you guys, as you can see, we got a bird zoo once again, and well, long story short, we're getting out here a little later than what we were planning on getting out here right at first light and stuff, but we had a little motor problems so on our boat. But you know what, sooner or later we got out here, or we're getting out there right now. So yeah, what a morning. Had some good breakfast though. Some good old cat heads. Can't beat them. Alright, you guys, it's about 10:30, and I think we're pretty much done for the morning. We're gonna pretty much just pack this stand up and head out. I leave in the morning, and so I don't think we're gonna go out tonight, just get stuff ready to head home, but it was a pretty fun trip here. Obviously, as you guys saw, I got that one doe, so that was fun. Made an incredible shot on her, and it was a good hunt, but my guess is that's about it. So it was a fun trip. Gonna pack up here and get some lunch. I know tonight we're having some deer steaks, so I'm looking forward to that. Them are deer steaks, phenomenal. Highly recommend. But what a trip, you guys. Thanks for watching.